Assalamu alaikum guys. You are watching Coding with Ali. Today lecture I will tell you how to pick image from camera and gallery in Flutter using image picker and permission handler package. Permission handler package is important to ask permission to user to access their gallery images. So this video is also compatible for new version of a Android like Android 12 and 13 because we will especially focus on Android 12 and 13 mobile to access images from camera and gallery. So without wasting any time, first thing first, I will show you what will output after this video you will see. So this is my app in which I will simply a one home screen where one floating action button. So I will press on it and show me bottom sheet, which is model bottom sheet. And there is a two type of a bottom sheet like model bottom sheet and persistent bottom sheet. So this is model bottom sheet, and in which I will show three texts like camera, gallery, and cancel. So when a user click on gallery, it show a pop-up to access photos and media on your device. So it means it is asking you a permission, please allow me to access your gallery images. So I will allow him. So it goes to my gallery where I will choose my one picture. So you can simply go to here and choose your images. Now I will choose this image. So I select it, and it is also shown me images of a gallery. So this is a gallery image, and next camera, and this also ask permissions to access user camera. So I will click only this time. So camera is moving, and right now I will click, and on here also save it. So camera image is also come. So let's start our lecture. And this is already I created project in which I already connected Firebase in this project, because in coming lectures I will also show you how to upload image of a camera and gallery in Firebase storage. So in last lectures I show you how to connect Firebase using Flutter FireCli. If you do not watch it, so description link is given in description, you can watch it. So this is the main dot where already a one design is created. I did not do any special things, so I do not need any clarity to explain it. So first thing first, I this is my floating action button where I call this method show image picker. So I will go to this method. This method is calling show model bottom sheet widget, where two object is taking context and builders, where I also add column and list style. So this is a simple design, and I only focus on picking image from camera and gallery. So without wasting any time, first I create one object of a file which help me to store images of a gallery and camera. So I create file image file, and this is a nullable. So make it question mark, and then in this method I simply create. So before creating this, we need three packages: image picker, permission handler, and device info. So I already added it in pubspec.yaml. So this is my pubspec.yaml file where I already created these three package: image picker, permission handler, and device info. I also adding these three packages in video description, so you can simply copy these three packages and paste in pubspec.yaml and pub then click on pub get, then it will resolve your packages and install it in your project. So after that, I simply create one object of a image picker to pick image picker, this one, and then image picker, then image picker. Okay, then I will come first in camera, where I will take permission to user to access their camera. So I will create final camera permission, then await, and I already added async because I need to add keyword await. So on here I will add permission dot request, sorry, camera dot request. So it asks permission to user, then if camera permission dot is granted, then simply create one more variable where store the camera images, like camera image, then await. Why I added on here a wait keyword? Because when it will wait until the camera image will store in this object, so I will use this object to access camera images. So I will write image picker dot pick image, and on here I will pass source from where I want to pick image. So I will pass on here source camera, simply write down camera, it will, yes, this one. So next, check if camera image is not equal to null. If camera image is not equal to null, then simply add one set state which will update this image file, and on here simply write down image file, and on here write file convert to this camera image, sorry, this camera image to file. So I will write file and camera image dot path. So this is camera image, it will choose and update this. So I also add code of a gallery, but before adding this, I think I need to run it. So for showing image, on here you simply add one image which is file image. So first I will check if image file, if image file not equal to null. This is a conditional operator which I used on here. If you do not know about conditional operator, I already created one video about conditional operator. You can watch it and clear your concept about conditional operators. So I will write image asset image dot, sorry, not file on here, and on here simply pass image. I think it will take file, so I will image file dot path. So this will be helpful. So on here need a conditional operator, because in above I already add one question mark on file, because it show me it might be possible image file is null. So on here I will show you how to pick image from gallery. So it is simple as I write down first to check device info plugin package, because it will check me platform of a Android, where I will show permission according to Android operating system. I mean, it is important to show permission according to platform, because Android 13 has new permission to access gallery image. So I will write down device info plugin, device info then device info plugin. Then I will simply create one more variable to check the Android info, then device info dot, sorry, on here I need a wait keyword because until it will get Android info, it must be completed and stored in Android info object. So I device info dot Android info, so it will check me Android info, and then I simply based on Android info based on Android info, I will simply check the SDK version. If Android info dot SDK int, sorry, version dot SDK int greater than, sorry, less than or equal 32, then less than or equal to 32 means it is operating system of Android 12 or less version of Android. It means simply you can say that Android 9, Android 10, 11, but until Android 12, not above to Android 12. So I will simply create one more variable because it is important to check permission status. So I will write down permission status, permission status, and on here write down status, and status equal to, then I will simply write down await permission dot, you can say that storage, storage, storage dot request. Okay, and for Android 13 I simply write down one more permission which is important. So status await permission dot media library dot request. So I will simply write down on here. So these two permission is necessary to access gallery and camera image. So after that, getting this permission, I will simply write down status dot uh, sorry, permission status dot is granted, then access image, simply copy these two, and simply copy these line, and I check yes until, copy this one and paste on here, and simply change the source of a image source, and I write down on here gallery. So, and also change on here object name gallery image, and on here also gallery image, this one, sorry, not this one, and also change on here gallery image, so it will take it. So this is all, and one thing more, and there one error is also, first I'll check what error. So on here need one thing more, after that you need to add, sorry, not this one, on here else condition need, so sized box need, so this one. After completing this, you need to one more thing to add permission in Android manifest file. So open Android manifest file source, then main, then Android manifest file, this one. So double click, and then paste these permissions. I will provide you in video description, so simply you can copy these permission and add in Android manifest file. Then your application will be run and pick image from camera and gallery. So I simply run on here. So this is output. of today lecture, and I simply copy and click on floating action button, then I click on camera, then I simply click on only this time, then I will choose front side, then image is shown, and same like check to gallery, pick first one, so I select on it, so it is also shown. So this is all for today. In next lecture I will also show you how to upload camera and gallery image in Firebase storage. So thanks for watching.